Hi everyone! Welcome to today's vlog. Today we're diving into how multimedia and ICT are completely transforming the way we live, learn, and lead in the 21st century. Multimedia and information and communication technology aren't just fancy words, they're powerful tools that make learning fun and interactive. From the smartphones in our pockets to the cloud system running global business, ICT is the backbone of our digital era. Education. Multimedia turns a flat textbook into a 3D experience. By combining text, audio, and visuals, lessons become more understandable and memorable. It caters to every type of learner, boosting student engagement and helping us retain information longer than ever before. But it does stop at the classroom. ICT improves communication, collaboration, and innovation. It breaks down geographical barriers, allowing us to work with people across the globe in real time. This is just a skill, it's a necessity for modern jobs and global connectivity. Beyond just using these tools, ICT teaches us critical thinking and digital literacy. It empowers us to filter information, stay safe online, and become responsible digital citizens in a world that never sleeps. Embracing multimedia and ICT opens endless opportunity for creativity, problem solving, and shared knowledge. Whether you're a student, a creator, or a professional, these tools are your passport to the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Teach Insights.